What if you could go from zero to a professional business website in under an hour? Not some stripped down template from 2009, not a generic page with your logo slapped on it, an actual polished professional site that looks like you invested real money in it. That is not a stretch anymore. In this video, I will walk you through how Hostinger's AI website builder makes that possible, step by step, what it costs, and how to turn this into a service that local businesses will pay you for. Welcome back. I am Paul James. This channel helps freelancers and small business owners build real income using AI tools. No expensive software, no complicated setups, just leverage. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Now let's talk about the real problem here. Every serious service business needs a website. That is not a debate. It is the first thing a potential client checks before they pick up the phone. But the moment most people try to actually build one, they hit a wall fast. Developers charge anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s. DIY platforms come with a learning curve that eats days you do not have. Template builders give everyone the same look. Then you spend hours trying to make yours feel different. And on top of all that, you still need a logo and SEO copy. You need some way to track whether any of it is working. Most freelancers I talk to either pay too much or give up too soon. The rest end up with something they are embarrassed to share. None of those outcomes builds momentum, and that is exactly what the Instant Authority Blueprint is designed to solve. Here is the core idea. Your job is not to become a web developer. Your job is to look like one to your clients. The fastest way to close that gap is simple. Let AI handle the build. You focus on the relationship. That is the shift. And Hostinger's AI website builder is the tool that makes it real. Here is how the whole process flows. Start by clicking the link in the description. That takes you straight to Hostinger's website builder page. Before you do anything else, let me point you toward the right plan. Go with the business plan on the 48-month subscription. Here is why that matters. The monthly rate locks in well below what you would pay on a shorter plan. You get a free domain name included. You get a free SSL certificate. And 3 additional months get added to your plan on top of everything else. The 48-month option saves you the most. No renegotiating pricing down the road. When you are checking out, enter coupon code PaulWeb. That takes an additional 10% off your first payment. The link to get started is in the description below. Once you are inside, the onboarding walks you through everything fast. Step 1 is entering your brand name. That is all it needs to start personalizing the experience. Step 2 is selecting your website type. Are you a service business, a portfolio, a local storefront, a blog? You pick the one that fits. Step 3 is where the AI starts doing the heavy lifting. You write a short description of your business in plain language. What you do, who you serve, what makes you different. No jargon, no technical knowledge required. Just describe yourself the way you would to a new contact at a networking event. Stay with me, because this next part is where Hostinger earns its place. The AI takes that description and generates a complete customized website around it. Full layout, organized sections, copy that actually makes sense for your business. This is not a generic theme with your name swapped in. It is a site built around the specific information you gave it. That distinction matters. When a client is evaluating you against 3 other options, details like that can close the gap. Once you see the generated result, you step in and customize. Every section is editable, colors, fonts, images, layout order, all of it adjustable from inside the same platform. You do not need another tool just to tweak a button. Here is where things get really interesting. Hostinger includes an AI writer built directly into the platform. That tool generates SEO-friendly copy for your pages. So your site does not just look good, it gets found when people search for what you offer. Most people building sites on their own never touch their SEO until after they launch, if ever. With the AI writer already inside, you close that gap during the build, not 6 months later. Then there is the AI logo maker. This one surprised me when I first saw it included. You can generate a professional logo right inside the platform. No designer fees, no third-party tools required. Sign up and walk away with a logo, a full site, and SEO-ready copy. All of it built inside one workflow. Most people skip this part completely, but there is also an AI heat map inside Hostinger. It predicts where your visitors are going to look and click before your site even goes live. That kind of behavioral data used to require separate analytics software and weeks of traffic to gather. Here it is built in from day one. I remember working out of my brother's garage, trying to get a business off the ground. Getting a website that looked credible felt completely out of reach. No budget, no designer connections, no idea where to start. A tool like Hostinger's AI website builder would have changed my timeline entirely. Now let me get into the money angles. This is where your clients come in. Every local service business needs a website. Most have something outdated or nothing at all. Contractors, coaches, bookkeepers, personal trainers, real estate agents, photographers. These are businesses with real revenue and real clients who are quietly embarrassed by their online presence. That is your market. A freelancer who delivers a polished site in an afternoon is offering something genuinely valuable. You do not need years of web development experience. You need the tool and the workflow. Because Hostinger handles the technical build, your job is steering the customization and handing over the result. That is a service you can price confidently. The e-commerce capabilities inside Hostinger make the offering even stronger. You can sell digital or physical products with no additional transaction fees. Print on demand is integrated. If a client ever wants to add a product line, you do not have to rebuild anything. The infrastructure is already inside the platform you set up for them. Here is the part that turns a website project into monthly income. Hostinger connects directly with Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, and visitor remarketing tools. Set up their site and their ad tracking in the same session. Suddenly you stop looking like a freelancer who builds pages. You start looking like a digital growth partner. That is a different conversation. That is a retainer conversation. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. Let me show you how this plays out in the real world. Picture a virtual assistant who wants to add website setup to her service menu. She has never built a site before. She signs up for Hostinger, picks a business type, writes a quick description, then she lets the AI builder run. 35 minutes later, she has a full demo site, logo, organized pages, and SEO copy already in place. She turns it into a PDF portfolio piece and starts pitching local landscaping businesses the following week. Within 10 days, she has closed her first website client at a flat project fee. That is the instant authority blueprint working exactly the way it should. Here is the twist almost nobody mentions when it comes to website services. The setup is only the beginning. Once you build a client's site, you become the default person for every update, every new page, every product they want to add. Those small ongoing tasks stack up into reliable monthly income. One well-executed Hostinger build can quietly pay you for years without a formal retainer conversation ever happening. Picture your next 30 days. You have a clean website delivery workflow dialed in. You have a real deliverable to show prospects. You have a platform that makes the work fast without cutting quality. And you have clients who are grateful. You solved a problem they had been stuck on for longer than they want to admit. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.